Good morning. You're listening to your daily news briefing. Here are the top stories making headlines today. Global news. Around the world, geopolitical tensions continue to draw attention as major nations engage in diplomatic discussions. Leaders are focusing on stability, cooperation, and long-term peace strategies. Analysts suggest that global decisions made in the coming weeks could have lasting impacts on international relations, trade, and security. India news. In India, new government initiatives are being introduced to strengthen infrastructure and digital growth. These efforts are aimed at improving connectivity, supporting startups, and creating employment opportunities. Experts believe that such developments could play a key role in boosting economic performance, especially in rural and semi-urban regions. Business and technology. In the world of business and technology, artificial intelligence continues to dominate discussions. Companies are investing heavily in automation, data analytics, and smart solutions to improve efficiency and user experience. From chatbots to advanced machine learning systems, AI is becoming an essential part of everyday life. Experts advise individuals to stay updated with these trends as they shape the future of jobs and innovation. Education and career. In education, students are increasingly focusing on skill-based learning, especially in technology fields. Courses related to programming, artificial intelligence, and data science are gaining popularity. Experts recommend continuous learning and practical experience to stay competitive in today's fast-changing job market. Sports. In sports, exciting matches and strong performances continue to entertain fans worldwide. Teams are preparing for major tournaments, while athletes are pushing their limits to achieve new milestones. The competitive spirit remains high as fans eagerly follow every update. Weather update. Looking at the weather, several regions are expected to receive moderate rainfall, while temperatures may rise in other areas. People are advised to stay hydrated and follow local weather advisories for safety. Positive news. On a positive note, inspiring stories of innovation and community support continue to emerge from across the country. These stories remind us that progress is not just about technology, but also about people helping one another. And that brings us to the end of today's news update. Thank you for listening. Stay informed, stay safe, and have a productive day ahead.